Hey guys, what's going on? So today we have a 2018 Fiat 500L in for diagnostic. The radio cuts in and out at random, and it's kind of a headache for the owner because a lot of the controls with the Uconnect go through the radio and for the vehicle itself. So what we did was we removed the radio bezel around it by just pulling. Be gentle when you do this. There'd be 6 little silver clips and 2 little white clips, and then they come out. Next, you're going to want to, there's for the parking brake, emergency hazard, and the locks at the bottom, that's actually going to be 3 T25 screws, 1 in the middle, 1 on each side. That piece will come out, and then there'll be 2 on each side for the radio itself. And we determined after checking the fuses and the wiring, verifying voltage, that the issue was a temperature cutoff switch because the fan on this radio was bad. So it was heating up, and when it hit a critical temperature, it would shut off. So the longer it played and the more times it cut back on, the faster it would cut out. Only way to fix this is go to Fiat and have a factory replacement, or get lucky enough to find one online, but these are vehicle specific, and you can look up if you have an update on the Uconnect's website. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Any questions, leave them down in the comment section below.